they'll never find my newest invention. It's gonna cause a lot of trouble. The rusting cyber tech. This is gonna put all sorts of rust on their patrol cars.
What am I gonna do? There's no way I'm letting Romeo get away to hide that machine, because if he does, we'll never see it again. There's only one way I can fix this. I gotta follow him.
Shh! Come on, guys, we gotta check it out.
I don't know about this, assistant. Yeah, what if Romeo shows up and he catches us spying on him?
It was my brilliant idea to sneak into Romeo's lab and see what he's been up to. He's not caused any trouble in quite some time, so you know he's been doing something.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Let's sniff out some trouble. Okay, what's the worst we could find?
Guys, look for any sort of plans that Romeo might be up to no good. The most important thing is that you don't touch anything. We can't let Romeo know we were here, so don't touch anything.
Oh, hey, check out what I just found. Fair warning. I couldn't help it, and I picked it up.
No!
What a weird chew toy.
No! Whoa!
Oh, no, not good. Assistant, where are you? Oh, no, where did the assistant go? We zapped her, and is she invisible? Is she shrunk? Is she gone forever? Put that thing away! Oh, no, what are we gonna do? Where did...
Guys, I'm down here. Ugh, you shrunk me. I just had to bring Rubble on this secret mission. I should have known. He's obsessed with chewing stuff.
Ooh, you're gonna be in trouble. Me? I didn't even want to come here. Well, I didn't either. Well, we gotta find the assistant. Well, we don't know what's going on.
And now our secret mission has been ruined because I'm shrunk. Hey, watch it. I'm standing here. Oh, wait a minute. I'm starting to think they can't see me at all. I must be too tiny.
Well, now what do we do? I don't know, but we don't want to be stomping around because who knows? What if we accidentally step on her? Uh-oh, step on her. Okay, I think we're gonna need some backup. I'm gonna go get Spidey and friends to see if he can come help us. Maybe he's got some sort of super Spidey sense that can sense where the assistant is. Ooh, that's a good plan.
Yeah, that's a good idea, Marshall. Go find Spidey. He'll definitely be able to use his Spidey senses to see me.
I'll be back. Just try not to cause too much trouble while I'm gone. Roof, roof.
Could this mission get any worse? I guess it could, because Rubble could sit on me. You better not sit on me, Rubble.
Oh, assistant. If you're in here, can you, bark or jump or something? Oh, well, this is not good. I hope that Romeo doesn't come back while we're looking for the assistant, because that would definitely be super bad.
No, Rubble, I'm over here. He still hasn't been able to find me. I have an idea. Maybe if I climb up onto the table, he'll be able to see me.
Assistant, where are you? Oh, I hope she's not a ghost.
Whew, that's a long way up. When you're super tiny. Rubble, I'm over here. Rubble!
Hey, there you are. I thought I heard a little squeaking. What are you doing, assistant?
Uh-oh, did you hear that? Someone's coming. I better hide.
Whoa, me too. Don't worry, I'll come back to save you. Huh, that's strange. It kind of smells like dog food in here, and I don't own any dogs. And was that Rubble running away from my lab?
It's a good thing Rubble got out of here when he did, because Romeo's right over there. I wonder what trouble he's up to.
Speaking of the Paw Patrol, boy, do I have a treat for them. Oh, I better go find it. My latest invention. Seems like the coast is clear. Now to go find my hidden secret invention.
And lucky for me, I'm the perfect size to spy on him. Let's see.
No one would ever suspect this. The perfect place for my rusting cyber tech. With this rusting cyber tech, I can rust any sort of metal, even the Paw Patrol vehicles. They'll be all rusted and they'll never be able to catch me.
Oh no, he's creating an invention to rust all the Paw Patrol cars. If they're rusted, that means they can't go anywhere, which means they can't do any missions. This is not good.
Oh, this is very good. The time is now. The element of surprise no one suspects.
Going right now?
Just a few little tweaks here and there.
What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do?
I'm gonna hide it so they'll never find it and it'll rust everything forever!
There's only one thing to do. There's no way I'm letting Romeo get away to hide that machine, because if he does, we'll never see it again. There's only one way I can fix this. I gotta follow him.
Assistant! I saw that Romeo just left! Whew! I'm sure you have an epic hiding spot. Well, don't worry, I'll wait here with you the entire time. And I'll tell you some pretty epic stories, too. But don't worry, we're gonna find you soon enough. I don't know where you went, but I'll find you. It's okay. I'll just wait for you right here. Now to hide the rusting cyber tech.
What is that Romeo up to? Aha! I see where you're putting it, and you have no clue I'm up here.
I'll hide it where they'd least expect it, right underneath their noses.
Oh wow, that was a really good hiding spot. I don't think we would have ever found it if I didn't follow him. It's a good thing I'm here. Oh wait, I'm still tiny. I guess that's a problem for later.
What time is it? Resto clock. They'll never find it. Never! Hey! Well, what's going on? We've got you now, Romeo! Got me with what? My hands are empty of any troublemaking inventions, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Haha! We got you now, Romeo!
Whoa, hey, what's that noise?
I'm up here!
There's something in my hair, you guys! Is it a bug? Get it off! Get it off! Get it off! Is it talking? Oh, no. Relax, Romeo. I have a sneaky suspicion I know who it is.
Alright, I'm still tiny. I probably sound like a squeaky toy. Spidey, can you please tell him I'm up here?
I found her!
Yes, finally! Set me big again!
You, assistant, have been in my hair the whole time? Oh no, that's not good.
Whoa! Ha! Gotcha! We've been on a super secret shrinking mission. Yeah, that sounds like it was all part of the plan. Because it was all part of the plan. And we followed you and saw exactly where you hid your machine.
My rusty cyber... Oh, what machine?
That's right, Romeo. You were almost about to get away with it. But you did it because the assistant's in town. Nothing gets past me. You didn't know this, but I've been on to you this entire time. Literally, I was on your hair.
Aw, man.
Alright team, follow me. I'm going to show you where you hid the machine. But before we go, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye! Come on team!
Meow. What are we doing for lunch today? Whoa, looky here. A buffet for me.
Perfect! Looking good. Whoa! I don't think that was supposed to happen. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little more of this, a little more of that. That should be good. Oh, hey Wiggles!
Hi, assistant. Ooh, you look nice and fun. Ooh, I like your funny hat. Hey, what are you doing in here?
I'm baking!
Smells good. Are you baking me a doggy treat?
No, you silly pup!
Oh, well, what are you baking then?
I'm baking lasagna.
Oh.
Ooh, lasagna, yummy. That's one of my favorite pastas. How did you know?
Sorry, Wiggles, this isn't for you. This is for Mr. and Mrs. Engineer as a surprise.
We'll add some dog treats to it.
No, that's not what goes into lasagna.
Well, then what's in it?
It's actually really simple. Just mix up some beef, red tomato sauce, and cheese. All layered together with lots of lasagna. And to top it off, lots and lots of cheese. And did I mention the cheese? It's the best part.
Oh, my favorite things. Ooh, and it smells good. Let me just smell it. Yummy.
I think it's ready.
Ready to eat? Whoa, that was fast. Baking is so easy.
No, silly, to cook, you have to put it in the oven to melt all that cheesy goodness. Time to put it in the oven. And now we wait.
Roof, it's been in there forever. Is it ready yet?
Oh, I almost forgot the side salad. I'll be right back.
Ooh, meow, smells good. Okay, Wiggles, think of this like a mission. Don't eat the pasta, protect the pasta. The lasagna is the prize. Sit, stay, good lasagna.
Got the salad. It's ready.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Woof, woof. It's ready, it's ready. Now what do? Do we get to eat it? Oh yeah, I hope we get to eat it.
No, not yet. It has to cool. It's ready to cool down. Soon enough, Wiggles, this lasagna has to be perfect. I almost forgot the breadsticks. Okay, keep an eye out on this lasagna while I go get the bread. I'll be right back. And don't even think about taste testing while I'm gone. I'll be right back.
Well, no promises. Roof, roof. Okay, so my mission continues. Protecting the pasta. Nothing happens to lasagna. Huh. Meow. It all smells delicious. Time for lunch. I can't stand cats. Well, you can buy anything in here, Garfield, but you can't touch this lasagna. It's a special surprise for Mr. and Mrs. Engineer. A lot of delicious choices to choose from, but none as good as my favorite, which is lasagna. Are you sure I can't have a little taste? I'm sure, Garfield. Okay, well, do you want to play fetch? Huh? Fetch? Go get it! What? I can't resist. It's my favorite. Lasagna is the best, and it's going to a good place. My belly!
All right, Wiggles, I've got the breadsticks. Time to enjoy some delicious lasagna. Yeah! Where's the lasagna, Wiggles? The lasagna! It's gone! Wiggles!
I didn't eat the lasagna. It must have been that sneaky cat Garfield. He was in here.
Are you sure you didn't eat it?
Yes, I'm sure I didn't eat it.
I don't see any cheese in that furry beard. I believe you.
Told you. Roof.
So then where's the lasagna? Ew. What is that?
It looks like a mix of lasagna cheese and orange cat fur. Ugh.
It's cheese? My lasagna cheese. Look, more cheesy clues. Follow the cheese to find the lasagna snatcher.
Meow. Lunchtime.
Aha! It was you!
Huh?
Huh?
Oh, hey, assistant. I'm just here to investigate this mysterious sticky substance.
Did you not take my lasagna?
Oh, it's cheese. Oh, nope, wasn't me. But good luck finding it.
Man. Well, they didn't take it. Guess I gotta keep looking.
Okay, this lasagna mess wasn't me.
Aha! It was you then!
It was not me because I'm lactose intolerant.
Lactose intolerant?
Ha! I'm innocent.
So you didn't eat my lasagna?
That means no cheesy lasagna for me.
Ugh. Ugh. I didn't take it either. I've got to find this lasagna and fast.
Yeah, get out of here.
Yummy.
Ugh. We're never gonna find my lasagna. Hey, what's that smell? It smells like my homemade cheese.
Time for the appetizer.
My lasagna!
Get in my belly. Oh yeah, that was delicious.
My lasagna, no!
Yeah, bravo. The lasagna was perfect. Can I order a second one?
Garfield, where's my lasagna?
It's in a better place. Yummy for my tummy. I ate it all.
You ate it all?
I could eat some more if you had some.
You silly cat. You're gonna go wash those cheesy paws and help me bake another lasagna. Wow, that was so much fun. I love baking a lasagna, even though Garfield ate it. I can't wait to watch the new Garfield movie coming out soon. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye!